Joseph Folkman for Forbes Career stated, "Development plans fail because they are not driven by the individual." If you've ever worked for more than one company and completed an individual development plan, every organization puts their own spin on it. Whether that's a different set of competencies to align development around, how many things you should be working on at any given time, as well as a timeline to work on specific objectives, all the way down to the different types of forms that each company has. This has become a form most are exhausted with, filling out as a part of their employee profile. Some might feel this is a waste of time because it's not turning into results like a promotion or a pay increase. And I wouldn't even be mad about you feeling that way. The root cause is that it's a company-initiated process versus being a plan that you chose for yourself that includes growth and evolution for you as a total person. I'm not saying scrap the company IDP or PDP for that matter.
And yes, they have different acronyms at every company.
I'm just saying let's develop a plan by you, for you, that's bigger than the company that you work for and the path that they have charted for you. As we close out season 1 of the 5-Minute Career Hack podcast, we want to end this season focused solely on you as always. There are 5 specific things you need to start ideation, to write it down, make it plain, and begin execution to allow a plan to breathe and evolve with you over time. Number 1, it starts with understanding your passions. In my ebook, The Career, The Bag, The Life, the first exercise is to know where you're going. In this ebook, I provide 10 questions to help you discover where you're going based upon your passions. Here are just a few of those questions. What could I wake up and do every day without pay and truly enjoy? What work do I find myself gravitating towards daily within my current job? What things around the house do I enjoy doing daily? Those are just a few of the questions that help you in thinking through what your passions might be. I'll leave a link in the comments for you to download this incredible ebook today for free. Now back to the 5 things we're going to do to develop your growth plan. Number 2, you have to be honest. Are you doing what you love? And if not, trust me, it's okay. Everything will work for your good in this journey. But it is time for you to say, no, this is not what I want, and begin jotting down what you actually want, as mentioned in number 1. You will never be happy. You will never experience the joy that is for you until you start moving in the direction of what brings you joy. Number 3, inventory day. Not products and services, but we need to complete an inventory of all the skills, not just 1, not just 2, not the ones you're great at, but all the skills and all the competencies that you've expressed, mastered, and been compensated for, or even done for free. As an operator in retail, I have more skills than I can even record for the purpose of an exercise like inventory day. And while you make it look easy, trust me, it's not. You've read, you've watched, you've tried, you've made mistakes, you've did it again, you've taught people how to do it. You've verified and checked for quality assurance, and your organization has quantified all of this on your behalf straight to their bottom line and top line of the profit and loss statement. Yes, that's right. They actually made money and or profit off of those efforts. Again, whether you're being paid or not, I want you to list everything for inventory day. Number 4, now let's zoom in on that list by understanding where your genius zone is, as Alicia discussed in episodes 42 and 45. You will need to highlight the competencies, the skills, and areas where you are gifted. Don't be shy. That's not the time for this. We were all created gifted and unique in different areas, as Candyce stated in episode 51, Irreplaceable. Once you have those areas of genius that are truly irreplaceable, now it's time for number 5 to find growth and evolution opportunities that will fill your cup. Your growth plan will sit at the perfect intersection of your passions, your genius zone, and the skills inventory. When you see the overlap, it will be one of the most exciting and possibly most scary moments in your life. Don't worry, lean into that. You're exactly where you're supposed to be, and you're seeing, probably for the first time, exactly what you're supposed to see. Now go leverage our series, Get There Faster, and our series, Get Results, to curate the experiences, exercises, stretch assignments, learning opportunity, and education that lights a fire under you that illuminates so bright that you attract promotions, entrepreneurial opportunities, and the bag that has your name on it. I can't wait for you all to see what's in store for season 2. If you have not already signed up for our Under 5 Minutes newsletter, be sure to do so right now so you're one of the first to know everything that we have coming this season and beyond. We do this because we believe our experiences, mistakes, triumphs, frustrations, getting lowballed, getting 50K plus raises, skip level promotions, and more was not just for us, but for us to share with others so you could learn from our mistakes and get there faster, and learn from our acceleration in our careers and take over your personal career journey like no one else can. That's why we do it, and all we ask is that you share too. Until next season, I love you.